The science goals of tracers is to study the interaction between the Earth's magnetic field and the solar wind.
Tracers is important for understanding the space weather because it gives us more insight on what's happening during that reconnection process.
In tracers, we have two spacecraft chasing each other at very close separation, 20 to 120 seconds. And so by playing with that separation, we can say, hey, watch this thing move, or hey, watch this thing change, and we can piece apart how the system is evolving.
Increasingly, big missions have been done by private companies, by NASA centers, and so it's rare that a public university like ours can lead a NASA mission.
From start to finish, we go from design to test and verification all within the same building. And then many of the parts are machined in our in-house machine shop. We can control the process and be able to get the results that are required for these types of missions.
Tracers has been a great success story for all of the levels of the university working together. We actually have alumni who graduated at the university on the project. We have faculty who are leading the project. We have engineers building the project. And we have graduate students who did part of their thesis on tracers, but also helped deliver it. And we have undergraduate students who have built pieces of it and run test procedures. So tracers is really a triumph of the university at all levels working together to delivering the project.
Tracers is a unique opportunity for young students and young researchers to get hands-on involvement in the development of a NASA mission. And I think this is crucial for training the next generation of space scientists.
If you're a student or if you're a young professional, working with more senior engineers or senior scientists to really hone your skills, I think that's invaluable.
We lost Craig in 2023, and that was, a body blow, not just to the project, but I think to the department as a whole. The team has rallied. We're going to see Craig's mission through, but we wanted to really pay tribute to Craig, not just through this mission, but for being really a defining feature of this department through the years.
The one really great thing about Craig was he was always good at collaborating. As soon as someone would come and need some help, or ask for help, Craig was always willing to offer up his resources to be able to get new faculty off the ground and really just move the department as a whole.
One of the very small things that we did to honor Craig with the Tracers mission was that we put a couple of his guitar picks, one on each main electronics box in each Tracer spacecraft. So this would have meant a lot to Craig, I like to think, because he was an avid musician. He played in bands and did live music for as long as I knew him. So Tracers is carrying a little piece of Craig along with the mission.
The university deeply values our partnership with NASA and our role helping to run these kinds of space missions. So I think it's been really important to us to prove that our team is just as good as it's ever been. We can deliver these kinds of projects and to look forward for what other kinds of projects do we want to do next.